Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from NLM. Find the tension in the string T1 from the given block pulley system. So here is a block of 3 kilogram and here is a block of 5 kilogram which is hanging with this pulley. Okay, here is T1, T2, then there is 2T1. Okay, and this block move in downward direction 5G and it is 3G. So tension in this T1 equal to 3 into A1. This is first, and for this block 5G minus 2T1 equal to 5A2. This is moving in downward direction with acceleration of A2 and this is moving in this direction with acceleration of A1. Using sigma T into A equal to 0, here T1 into A1 minus, this is in opposite direction tension and acceleration in opposite direction, therefore 2T1 into A2 equal to 0. So T1 A1 equal to 2T1 A2. T1 cancel, A1 equal to 2 times of A2. Okay, so using this, here 5G minus 2T1 equal to 5A2. So B put A2 here. A2 is A1 by 2. So A1 by 2. Now putting the value of A1 in form of T1. From this we have T1 upon 3 equal to A1. So minus 2T1 equal to 5 by 2 into A1 is T1 by 3. So this is 6 multiplying by 6, 6 5 ja 30, 6 5 ja 30G minus 6 2 ja 12, T1 equal to 5T1. So 30G equal to 5T1 plus 12T1. 30G equal to 17T1. So T1 equal to 30G by 17. So 30G by 17 is the correct answer, which is found in option B. So option B is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.